everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. As you guys can see from the title, today I am finally doing an updated what is in my allergy bag. This has been a long awaited video for a bunch of you. I have been saying for probably months now that I would do an updated one and I just haven't gotten around to doing it, but here I am today. I am finally getting around to it. As always, I will have as many of the products mentioned in this video listed down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing them, and I will also have a playlist linked down below that has all of my allergy related videos in it. I've done a few videos where I show what is in my allergy bag, as well as showing how you use an EpiPen and things like that. If there are more allergy related videos you guys would like to see, definitely let me know in the comments. I actually have a variety of EpiPens and am more than happy to sit down and go through the different ones. I've always thought that maybe it would be cool if I sat down and did a comparison of the three. So if that is something you guys would like to see, definitely let me know. I am hoping that this video does not get flagged, because my past few allergy videos have in fact gotten flagged, which means they really don't get into the YouTube algorithm. Hopefully that doesn't happen this time, but just in case, to ensure this video stays in the algorithm, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you end up liking it, share it, subscribe to my channel. You guys know the drill. And without further ado, let's get started. So this right here is my allergy bag. It is one of the North Face Sprout backpacks. It is essentially made for like a toddler. However, it is the perfect size to use as an allergy bag because it's not small so that it has no room for you, but then again, it's not a huge, big, bulky bag. And no, when I go out, I do not take this plastic crate with me. However, I did want to show you guys that this is what is beside the front door that I put my allergy bag in so that I remember to grab it every time I leave the house. This bag goes everywhere with me except for work, pretty much, because I have a separate allergy bag with that. And if you guys would like to see an updated what is in my work bag, definitely let me know in the comments down below because I can do that. But everywhere else I go, this comes with me. And then this is the actual bag itself. I have not seen this print recently. I will have a link to their current ones down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. It is literally the perfect size and everything to hold what I need, and it's also easy to carry around. Before I show you guys what is on the inside, I figured I would show you guys what is on the outside. So obviously it has two water bottle pockets. Over here I normally have my water bottle, and then on this side I just have my sunglasses that are from Walmart. I think they were like $5. I've mentioned them here on my channel before, but I love them. And then on the back here I just have a Purell hand sanitizer hanging off the little loop right here. And then on the handle I have one of these red bracelets that just says allergy alert. It's just another great identifier. And then right here, this is from My ID. I have mentioned them many times here on my channel. I also have a coupon code for you guys to get free shipping on your order. I will leave it right here on the screen as well as in the description box. But this is their new My ID tag. I actually plan on doing an entire My ID collection video. I have probably 90% of the products that they offer because I absolutely love them, and I've been using them for probably 4 or 5 years now. And I have more videos all about My ID in my allergy related playlist, so I'm not going to get too much into it, but basically this is a little tag, and on the back it has a QR code and a PIN number so that first responders and other medical personnel can literally scan the QR code or call the number that's on it, enter my PIN number, and then all of my medical related information will come up for them. All my surgeries, doctors, medications I'm on, all my diagnoses, everything like that comes up. And what's really cool about this one is that all you have to do is tap your phone to it and it automatically brings it up. You don't even have to scan the QR code. And I also really like that it's on the keychain so that it can in fact go right here. And now we're gonna get into what is in the actual bag. Lately I haven't been carrying a purse around. Instead I've just been bringing this, so it's kind of like a catch-all for my allergy stuff as well as some of my personal stuff. And starting right here in the front pocket, this is just what it looks like. It's chock full of stuff. Starting off, I just have my AirPods and my AirPods case. I absolutely love my AirPods. They are the best purchase I have ever made in my entire life. I also have a hand cream. This one's for Bath & Body Works and it's in the scent In the Stars. I am someone who, after I wash my hands get super dry, and I always have to apply lotion after I wash my hands because I hate the sandpapery feeling of dry hands, and this is just the one that I've been using lately. I also have some orange Tic Tacs. I have an emesis bag, which if you guys don't know what that is, it's a puke bag. I almost always have one of these with me. They are just really great to have because you never know when something's gonna happen or when someone's gonna puke or when you yourself feel like you may puke. And I have had GI issues for the longest time, and I frequently get upset stomachs, so I always make sure to have one of these just in case. I have two masks. I have this one. I don't really wear this that often in because I personally don't think it does much. And then I have my Vogue mask, which I waited months to get because they were out of stock. And obviously this one is just yellow and has little bees on it. If you guys would like to see an entire mask collection, definitely let me know because I have an entire bucket of them from this pandemic. So if you guys would like to see all the ones I have, let me know because I can definitely share that with you guys. These are typically just my backup masks that I keep specifically in my allergy bag, especially now that it's getting warmer. This one gets really hot super easily. I have some Nausine, and this is just an anti-nausea medication. It's my favorite one. I have a prescription for Zofran. However, I found this at Walmart. It is over the counter and they are chewables, and let me tell you, they work 10 times better than prescription Zofran, and you can also take this multiple times over the course of a certain amount of time. And then at the bottom, I just have a few random scattered mints. And now I'm gonna move into the big pocket, which has everything else. So this is just what the big pocket looks like when you open it. As you guys can see, it holds a lot, which I absolutely love. I have these two empty Tic Tac containers in here with a bunch of stuff in them. I will go through these in a second. I have two liquid IV packets, which I actually featured in my morning routine. They are just hydration multipliers, and this one is in the lemon lime flavor. I have my wallet, which this is my absolute favorite wallet ever. It came right from Amazon and it was only $10. I have a smaller allergy bag that I will go through in a second. And then right here in the back of the bag, it has this mesh pocket, which is actually for an iPad or a small tablet. However, I just keep one of the Huggies wipe clutches in it. I always have wipes with me because you never know when you're gonna have sticky hands. So these have come in handy so many different times, and that is everything that fits right in this big pocket. It is pretty large, and I probably could fit even more if I really needed to. Going back to this could also just technically be considered my allergy bag because in here is where my EpiPens are and my Benadryl and all that kind of stuff. And this is just from LL Bean. It is actually one of their pencil cases, and I like using it for my EpiPen and that kind of stuff. My dad actually has one as well, and he uses it for his insulin pens and his meter and stuff like that. So they definitely have a bunch of uses. I really like how it does have a hook on it so you could hook it to something if needed. And in here, as you can see, there is just a ton of stuff. This thing has so much storage, and at one point I had way more than what I actually have in here, and it still fit and zipped perfectly. Right off the bat, I have some of this Equate stomach relief. Like I mentioned earlier, I do have a lot of GI issues, so I always have some type of stomach medication with me. I have one of the little Johnson & Johnson first aid kits. You can get these in the travel section of Walmart, Target, and stores like that. In here right now, I just have Band-Aids, hand cleansing wipe, and I also have this little pair of scissors that I got from Dollar Tree. I believe they are sewing scissors. However, they fit perfectly right in here, and you never know when you're gonna need a pair of scissors, and it always seems like when you need scissors, they're never around. So I have them in there. I have an extra retainer case because I did used to have braces, and I recently had to start wearing my bottom retainer again. I actually had to go and pay for a new one because the old one doesn't fit. I have some Band-Aids. These ones specifically are the heel ones for blisters. I have one of my AviQ EpiPens, more Nausine, and I actually have now realized that I am out of Benadryl, but that is everything that is in the LL Bean pencil case. And now moving on to the two empty Tic Tac cases. I absolutely love reusing packaging, as you guys can tell, and using it for more than what it's actually supposed to be used for. The Tic Tac containers are a great example. I literally have these scattered everywhere in bags and in my house and in my drawers and in my car because they are great for holding things. They are the perfect size, they open up, and they hold a ton. Starting off with this one right here, this is my electronics one. Typically, there is also a phone charger in here as well. However, I let a friend borrow it and I have yet to get it back. So all that's in here right now is the cube so it can plug into the wall, as well as one of the adapters for the lightning cable to aux cord. And then in this empty Tic Tac container, I have medications. So right in here, I just have some Benadryl. I also have some single packets of Tylenol. I have a little tube right here that has one dose of all of my daily medications that I take in the morning. I also have a packet for the cold and allergy Tylenol and some Advil liquid gels. So that is everything that I currently currently have in my allergy bag. I cannot recommend this little bag enough. When I first got it, everyone was like, that's a little kid bag. I don't know why you're getting it. I don't know what you're gonna use it for. But here I am. I think I've had it for 3 years now, maybe 4. And it goes everywhere with me, and everyone knows that it is in fact my allergy bag. That's why I like that it is such a bright color, because if I ever have an issue, all I have to do is say, can someone find the bright pink bag? I hope all of you who have been waiting for this video enjoyed it, and I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Again, let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see any more allergy related videos. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I upload new content frequently and would love if you'd become part of our little family. Also be sure to hit the bell if you haven't already to be notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!